channel. So today I'm going to be making a easy caramel pudding, so let's begin. So to begin with, we need 2 cups of evaporated milk, half a cup of caramel sauce. So with a whisk, I'm just going to gently whisk this so it just mixes in all together. If you feel the sweetness isn't enough, you can add a couple more teaspoons of the caramel sauce. So I'm just going to add some more. Just carry on whisking it until it's mixed in through. Okay, this is now nicely mixed in. I'm just going to put this on the side. So in a jug here I have some 100 ml of boiling water. So I'm going to add some gelatine. So I'm adding 3 teaspoons. Just going to mix this quickly. So we're now going to mix the gelatine in the mixture. I'm going to quickly whisk this. So once this is done, I'm going to be using a loaf tin, which I have here. Just going to pour the mixture in, making sure it's all mixed in. We're now going to refrigerate this for a couple of hours. So our caramel dessert is now ready. As you can see, it's out of the fridge. So a nice wobble to it. So I hope you enjoyed the caramel dessert, and thanks guys for watching.